Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we will show you how to easily edit any video in the Windows 11 Photos app for completely free. So if you open the Windows 11 Photos app and then open any video in it, you will only see the option to trim the video. So the only option you will get to edit the video is to use this Clipchamp video editor from Microsoft. However, if you don't want to use that, you can simply tap on this three dot icon here and then go to the settings menu. Now in the Photos app settings, scroll down and you should see this Photos Legacy option. All you have to do is click on this Get Photos Legacy button here. So this will open the Microsoft Store on your PC and allow you to download the older version of the Photos app. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it from here or using the search menu. Once you have opened the older version of the Photos app, you can move to the Video Editor tab here. Now here you will need to click on this new video project. Now give it any name and then click on OK. Once you are here, click on this add button and then click on this from this PC. Now simply add the video that you want to edit. Once the video is added, you can simply drag it to the timeline and then you can use these options to trim the video clips, split it, combine it. You can also add multiple clips and then rearrange them like this. You can also add motion effects, 3D effects, filters, adjust the speed or even the background music or custom audio from here. Once you are done editing the video, click on this finish video and then save it to your preferred location. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.